Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to discuss about an issue which I thought it was the fault with ChatGPT. I was not getting this information like this. It was kind of plain text. Okay, now I forgot to record that because I thought maybe it was maybe I don't know. I just didn't record that issue, but when I did what fixed it, I realized actually my information was back with headings, subheadings, colorful bullets. Now, all this was not like this before, and I was sweating to actually copy this information, then put in my website, try to actually do where it's necessary, the headings and all that stuff, which usually come by default in ChatGPT when you generate some information. Even if you're using a free or paid version of ChatGPT, still you have to get headings, subheadings. It's trying to highlight some stuff like this. So this was not the case with my ChatGPT. Now, earlier before, you are looking at how it's supposed to look. Okay. Now, before this, let me see if I can have the old versions, but this is not the account which I usually use. But okay, just know like I was getting text without any of this bold. It couldn't give me bold. It couldn't give me like headings. It couldn't give me like emojis, something like that. It couldn't bring me like these, separators. It was actually basic text. Now, this is what I did. If you're in a situation like that, don't panic. The problem is not with ChatGPT. The problem is not with your computer. Actually, it's a problem with your browser or computer. Actually, the problem is on your side, not on the side of ChatGPT. Okay. Now, what you do is, though you don't even have to sign up. Just cross the current ChatGPT. Okay. You cross the tab. I don't want to cross my tab. Okay, but let me just open maybe a new one. Let me assume like you are this is your ChatGPT and you're having a problem, your information is coming in basic text. So what you do is you just have to cross this, okay? The current ChatGPT, you just have to cross that. Then you open another tab and you enter ChatGPT and you command it afresh, whatever you're trying to ask it, okay? Now, I think the problem was maybe the cache in my browser, maybe the cache. Okay, I have a lot of tabs as you see, but I don't think the problem was my tabs. I believe I rarely shut down my computer. It was on for like 3 days, I think, straight. I hibernated, then I put it back. So I think that was the problem with my ChatGPT. Maybe it was over cached. Maybe it was having a problem with the cache, maybe for a reason of not really shutting it down once in a while. I don't know because sometimes I use ChatGPT for directly 1 week without shutting down my PC, but it has never done it before. It was my first time to see it. In fact, I thought I was using a version of ChatGPT which is, I don't know, maybe which is below substandard because everything was basic text. Okay, so what you do is you cross the current ChatGPT, open a new tab. If you can, maybe you can even close the whole window, reopen your window again, maybe restart your PC, or that also that one can work. Then you have a fresh section of you start your ChatGPT, then you give it the prompts that you have been giving it. It will work perfect. Okay, so that's how I fixed mine. Let me know if this one has fixed your issue having basic text, which is unformatted in ChatGPT. This one fixes your problem. Let me know. Like my video, subscribe. Okay. So that is it, guys. Just open ChatGPT afresh, then the formatting will come. Okay. Better if you can, shut down your PC, restart it afresh. Okay. So thanks, you guys. I hope this will fix your problem, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.